निर्विशेषः शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे नामेव केवलं कलौ नास्तेव गतिरन्यथा। सब बोलिए हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। ग्रंथरा श्रीमद्भागवतम की जय। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। श्री चैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं दीनतारिणं परमानन्दमाधवं। ग्रन्थरा श्रीमद्भागवतम की जय। हरे कृष्णा। वेलकम टू private gathering of Lord Krishna, Seva. When there are very high class parties are there, in that few selected are invited. Krishna is very merciful, we are one of them. So thank you so much, and wishing each one of you and family a very happy new year. And may Krishna be pleased with us and give us more and more seva and his remembrance. So today most likely we will finish the third canto. Let us see. So anybody remembers where were we? We have been discussion between Kapil Bhagwan and Devhuti Mata. And what has been the discussion so far? Very briefly, what was the question she had asked? What was the question? First question she had asked Kapil Bhagwan. Can we ever be liberated from this material contamination? And what was his answer? First he gave the answer. We will see today in the summary. What's the answer? He said yes. If devotional service is done, Krishna's names are heard, spoken, and his remembrance is there, one can be detached from the temporary material manifestation. One will be permanently detached from this temporary nature. इधर आ जाओ भैया, आगे आ जाओ। आप लोग आगे आ जाओ। अच्छा ओके। अदरवाइज आप दोनों इधर आ जाइए, माता जी और इधर आ सकते हैं। That's better, I think. But then suddenly Devhuti Mata realized. What was the realization? That answer तो मिल गया, क्वेश्चन भी अच्छा पूछा था, आंसर भी फटाक से दे दिया, but there is a problem in implementation. And how do we one get motivation to do devotional service? घर में सब कुछ अच्छा है, हेल्थ अच्छी है, पैसे अच्छे हैं, पगार अच्छी है, गाड़ी अच्छी है, बच्चे अच्छे हैं, बंगलो अच्छा है, तो फिर क्या करने की जरूरत है? That is, Prabhupada said, this is the reason why people don't go to the places of worship. See, why people should go to places of worship? Krishna is everywhere. क्या जरूरत है? आगे आ जाओ भाई, अपन ये थोड़े से, भगवान की कृपा है। भगवान की कृपा 28 को फिर भी इतने हैं कि हम कथा कर पा रहे हैं। कैन यू बिलीव इट? एवरीबडी इज ऑन लीव, वेकेशन, करेक्ट? सो व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन? हरे कृष्णा। कम हाँ,
डिजायर के लिए जाते हैं।
मटेरियलिस्ट डिजायर के लिए जाते हैं. सही है. What was the question? हाँ, why one should go to the why one should go to the temples? Why? Krishna is there everywhere. See, air is there everywhere, but where there is fan, there air is more. Very well. Correct? So therefore, because there are so many elevated souls have visited, you can feel the difference between even some temples, those who are very old and those who are very new. Old temples you'll get a different feeling, Tirth you will get a different feeling, new temples you'll get different feeling. Temple is temple only, but devotees have been there. So then she suddenly realized that I have asked the right question. The answer is also given, but for the common masses, she then asked, please tell me about the birth, old age, disease and death. Why one should hear this? Because then that is a motivation to do devotional service. Nahi to everything is going fine. But everything is going fine today. That is the challenge. Next moment we don't know. Yesterday I was talking to one of my classmates. He said one of his seniors, 59 age, sudden heart attack, doctor said multiple organ failure, finished. So when is that moment coming? The other day I was discussing with somebody, he said, Prabhuji, you are telling Bhagavatam or you are scaring us? I said, Prabhuji, if you want to be scare free, then you have to be scared by the reality of life. By ignoring the reality, it won't go away just because it is scaring us. Will it go away? Suppose we don't discuss. It is still going to happen. Might as well. There is nothing called a problem. There is only a challenge. Because problem means there is a solution. Challenge is how to deal with it. That is what important thing. So she asked this question and then he started from the people, those who are not even able to sustain their families, then they slowly become old. Hare Krishna, please come, Hare Bol, Jai. They become old, and after becoming old, what happens? Everybody starts neglecting them unless and until they are a devotee. If it is a devotee, then it's a different situation. People come and want to see them because, oh my God, you don't know when the fellow will go. Let us have his darshan. Complete reverse. And for a materialist, nobody wants to talk, and finally he leaves his body. If devotee, then goes to transmigration back to Godhead. Otherwise, go to the hellish planets. Then start purging the sins one by one. Get practice of the 84 lakh species. And after practicing 84 lakh species, get that species like a pig. So they practice how to eat stool. And after everything is purged, by sheer mercy, again one more time chance is given to be born as human being. That also is very difficult because 9 months inside the womb of the mother, situation is tough. Worms are eating up. Around is only stool and urine. There is Jatharagini, there is digestive fire from the intestine. Hare Krishna Prabhu. You can come. For saints we have sofa. Here Prabhuji there is no mattress is not there, please don't okay adjust. Okay, fine. So far so good, right? So therefore full thing he explains till the birth happens. Then again he starts off from the birth what happens, and after birth again the same cycle continues. In between, Kapil Bhagwan told us, just to recap, that like this, in human form also the attachment maximum is to the opposite sex. For woman, man, and for man, woman. But ashram has been made grahast ashram for this purpose, so that while the desires get finished over by entering into this ashram, and then the family together can realize Krishna. So, Prabhupada writes, If a man and woman attachment is not to each other but to Krishna, then both of them are equally eligible to get out of material entanglement and reach the abode of Krishna. This is the situation. So, of course, in the beginning there will be attachment, bodily attachment. But slowly, because of the ashram and because Krishna is in the center, the attachment starts shifting. And one can see in the families in Grihastha ashram where the bodily concept, initial attraction is over and in the center Krishna is not there, what is the condition of that household versus another of a devotee? What is the condition? We can see ourselves around, there is no need for any proof. And we saw in Bhagavatam that for materialist person, so we saw there is Maya means energy, wonderful. That energy is multifarious but primarily external and internal. So what happens is when there is only bodily attraction, at that time external energy takes over. But slowly as the attachment. Oh, she's remembering Diya. So slowly as the attraction transforms to Krishna, the other attractions are less and the family members are able to tolerate each other better. Otherwise, tolerance is a problem. You said this and I said this. Half of the life can go in that only. But if Krishna is in the center, immediately either the wife or the husband, they will remind, Arey bhaiya, mame Vanju ji will okay. At the time of fight, they will not say, but internally they will say, chalo thoda shant hote. Prabhu ji will say, अरे भाई याद आ गया, भगवद गीता भगवान ने बोला था ममे वांचू, थोड़ा चलेगा गुस्सा पर अभी शांत हो जाओ, क्या फायदा. See, in many of the places in family, defeat is actually the victory. अनफॉर्चुनेटली बहुत लेट समझ में आती है, बट है ये बात. इफ यू आर डिफीटेड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ फाइट बिटवीन हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ and it's not something a very major issue which is like really worth arguing and fighting, and you let go of it. Okay, you win the argument. It's a very big victory for the happiness of the family. But if you want to say every time so winning is not always winning in family life. Losing is also sometimes winning. Depends on the situation. So only devotee association we can remind each other like this. Right? So this is how. So Krishna tells that my energies, they transform from external. Actually originally is internal only. It transforms into external and back. So depending on the situation, whether Krishna is in the center, it keeps on transferring. Let's proceed today because I think we have done the recap. And then Kapil Bhagwan says in 3:31-43, please repeat, due to this particular type of body, the materialistic living entity wanders from one planet to another, following fruitive activities. In this way, he involves himself in fruitive activities and enjoys the results incessantly. And in this way, next shloka, in this way, the living entity gets a suitable body with a material mind and senses according to his fruitive activities. As Bhagavatam said that the body is following, the next body is following us at this very moment. So this cycle continues. So question is, what is to be done? He already concluded something in the beginning, but that is gone. So now he has come, he has explained the entire birth, old age, disease, death, birth, old age, disease, death, then hellish planets, then purging there, then again after that coming in the womb, and then again challenges for birth, and again this he's explained. Now he concludes. Please repeat. Ya idam Shroya damba Shraddhaya Purusha Sakrata Yova Bhidatte Matchittaha Saheti Padvi Chame Ya idam Shrunayad. Shrunayad means hearing. Amba is mother. He is telling, hey mother, Ya idam Shrunayad. One who hears. Shraddhaya, with faith. Purusha Sakrat. Sakradeva Prapanna. Once. Sakrat. One who hears once with Shraddha. Yova Abhidhatte. Abhidhatte means repeats. One who repeats with Shraddha once. Mat Chittaha. Mat means mind. Chittaha? Consciousness. One who fixes his mind on me. So he is telling, what is the conclusion to be done with all this hearing? Hey Amba, hey mother. Ya idam Shrunayad. One who hears once with Shraddha and repeats with Shraddha and fixes his mind on me with Shraddha. Sahi eti padvim chame. That person attains me. Now, which are the three things here to be done? To be detached from this material manifestation and go back to Godhead. What are the three things? Hearing, repeating, and fix the mind. Now recall 215 when Parikshit Maharaj said what a dying person should do. Purusha Sahiya.
Hearing, chanting and drawing.
Bhakto ki. Shrotavya is what? Shrunayad. Shrotavya. Kirtitavyascha is Abhidhatte repeats. Third, Smartavyascha Matchitta. Conclusion cannot deviate. So like this he confirms, this is to be done. Translation, please repeat. Anyone who once meditates upon me with faith and affection, who hears and chants about me, surely goes back home, back to Godhead. So he then, after saying this, he became silent. Devahuti Mata, 2-3 shlokas, she then prays and concludes also. Last time we said, first one was, how come you are there in my womb when the entire universe is sitting in your womb? And then she herself says, Vishva Yugante Vatapatra Ekaha. Vishva Yugante. At the end of the millennium, Vatavraksh ka jo patra hai, that is banyan tree ka one leaf, Ekaha, you were Shetes me Maya Shishurang Gripanaha. You were on a banyan tree ka leaf ke upar you were floating in water. So if with the entire universe you can float like that, definitely you can be in my abdomen. So it's in Bhagavatam. Yes. See, Prabhu had made one nice, Santosh Prabhu had made one nice this one, right? You remember Prabhu? Total life of Brahma, 311 trillion years. Then it is made up of 100 years. In one exhale only, 1 day of Brahma is equal to 4,32,000 years of the day. And at the end of the day, there is a small pralaya. And in 1 day, there are Sahasra Yuga Paryantam, there are 1,000 Chatur Yugas, meaning Treta, Satya, Treta, Dwapar, Kali. 4 of them, 1,000 times when they repeat, it is 1 day of Brahma. The other day, one Muslim, very nice gentleman, he was telling me. He said that Einstein he somewhere got hold of Mahabharata. And there was some discussion where a person goes, asks for a boon with Brahma. And Brahmaji says, you wait for 15 minutes, I will answer you. After 15 minutes, when he asked the question, he said, there is no need of any answer. Because in your ears, it is not 15 minutes. So he drew inspiration of law of relativity from there. He was telling me. So, this is 2-3 things only she says. One is this. Second, here is the out of the 3 things, hearing, kirti and smaranam. Now she focuses on one thing again. Please repeat. Ahobat swapachoito garyan yat jivagre vartate namatubhyam ahobat swapachot ato garyan. This is the meter actually of this. Ahobat swapacho ato garyan yad jivagre vartate namatubhyam te pustapaste juhu sanur arya brahma anuchur नाम गृणति ये ते. She glorifies the holy name. She says, Aho but how glorious. Swapach. Swapach is who? Yes. Swapach. Chandal. Dog eater. A dog eater is glorious. After hearing this, Devahuti Mata saying, Ato Garyan is also worshipable only for one reason. Yat Jivagre. Jiva is what? And Agre, the front. Whose tongue is vibrating, the tip of the tongue is Vartate Namatubhyam. A person, even if that person is a Chandal, but if his tongue is vibrating Krishna's names, then Ahobat Swapacho Ato Garyan. That person, even if Chandal, is supposed to be glorious and worshipable. And it is confirmed that that person, if he is chanting Krishna's names, Tepus Tapas. Tepus meaning practice, Tapas means austerity. That person has done all the austerity already. Te Juhuvuhu. He has done fire sacrifice. Sasnur, he has bathed in all the sacred rivers. Arya, he is already a person who is seeking knowledge. Brahma Anuchur, he has already studied Vedas. Nam Granati, Yete, those who are chanting your name, Nam Granati, Yete, those who, Ye, Te means your, those who are chanting your names with the tip of the tongue, they have already done austerities, fire sacrifice, they have good manners of Aryan, they have bathed in all the holy pilgrimage, studied Vedas, and fulfilled everything required they have done, and they are glorious and worshipable. This is the conclusion she draws after hearing everything. But still in her mind, that question is there. That now Kapil Bhagwan has told so much about birth, old age, disease, death. Yes, chanting and everything very good. But ultimately, how is it possible? Still, it is there. She knows the answer, she wants to share with everybody. So please repeat. Tam Tvam Aham Brahma Parama Pumsam Pratyak Srotasi Atmani Samvibhavyam Swatejasa Bhast Guna Pravaham Vande Vishnum Kapilam Veda Garbham. She says, Tam Tvam Aham Brahma Param Pumsam Vishnu. I know that you are Lord Vishnu. pratyaks sroti atmani samvibhavyam. The transcendentalists, those who have realized, they turn inward and they meditate atmani inside themselves also. Now she gives the final answer, her realization. Swa tejas. What is tejas? Power, potency. Swa. Self tejas. Swa tejas dhvasta. Dhvast means destroy. Gun pravaham. Influence of the material modes of nature. Gun जो है, गुण का प्रवाह, they are flowing, right? 3 gunas. They can only be vanished by dhvast only by your swatejas. Only by your mercy one can get rid of this material attachment. Everything is to be done, but finally one needs your mercy. Vande Vishnu Kapil Veda Garbham. I pray to you, Lord Vishnu, Kapil Dev, who has Veda Garbham, on whose Garbh Vedas are there. So the translation is, the saints and sages, being freed from all the disturbance of senses and minds, meditate upon you. For by your mercy only can one become free from clutches of the 3 modes of material nature. इसका proof भगवान ने, he has given in the Bhagavad Gita also, that only by my mercy you will be able to cross. Which one is that? हरि बोल जय देवी ऐसी गुणमय मम्माया दूरतया. करके देख लो कोशिश. जिसने भी कहा मैंने किया, immediately माया देवी will be there to test and failure is confirmed. इसलिए none of the devotees, realized souls, they never say, they hardly use, I think, the word I they use for only servant. I am your servant. But they never say I did this, because they know the moment I say I did this, Maya will present examination within seconds and failure is confirmed. मैं तो अपना confirm कर सकता हूँ, आपका नहीं पता, but I can confirm. And after hearing this, Kapil Bhagwan reconfirms. Kapil Uvacha Margenane Mataste सुसेव्यनोदितेन मे आस्थितेन पराम काष्ठम अचिराद अवरोत्स्यसि. कपिल उवाच, मीनिंग कपिल भगवान said, मार्गेण, मार्ग क्या है जी? पाथ, द पाथ. अनेन, ये जो पाथ है, ये वाला, कि कौन सा पाथ है अभी बाकी से रिकन्फर्म करेंगे. ऊपर कंफर्म कर दिया डिवोशनल सर्विस, बट ही सेइंग दिस मार्ग अनेन माता, माय डियर मदर, सुसेव्येन, इट इज वेरी इजी टू एग्जीक्यूट. उदितेना, एज इंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय मी. आसिथेना, इफ यू परफॉर्म दिस. पराम काष्ठम, द सुप्रीम गोल. आचरिता, वेरी सून. अवरोत्स्यसि, यू विल अटेन. So he confirmed, my dear mother, the devotional service path of self-realization, which I have already instructed to you, is very easy. You can execute this system without difficulty. Toilet में भी बैठे हैं, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Ram Ram Hare Hare. And by following it, you shall very soon be liberated, even within your present body. Same thing. Where it happens? In the same body they went? Okay, yes, very good. Also, Pandavas, self same body. Translation, they went back to Godhead. Hey, Dundukari, of course, he became a ghost, and after that he, Dundukari. So he confirms this. Now here it is, do or die. Kapil Bhagwan reconfirms finally, do or die. Abhi aage aage. Please repeat this. Shraddhatsva etan matam mayyam justam yad brahmavadibhi ye namam abhayam yaya mrityum rachanti atadvidah he gives a ultimatum to everybody, do or die. Please see this. Translation I will take later. Shraddhatsva, he says rest assured. Etan, about this. About what? Already confirmed. About the devotional service. Rest assured about this devotional service, Matam. My instructions. Mayam justam yad brahmavida. Rest assured that this devotional service, my instructions, is followed by Brahmavadibi, by the transcendentalists, pure devotees, they follow this. Now he says, do or die. Yena mam abhayam yaya. You will reach unto me without fear if you follow the devotional service. Else, mrityum rachanti atad vidaha. Vidaha means those who are knowledgeable. Atad vidha, those who are not knowledgeable. Those who do not follow this process of devotional service, what happens? Mrityum rachanti. Mrityum is death. Rachanti attains. So here is a choice. He says, do or die. If either in devotional service, then without fear. What is that? Without fear. Yad bhaveti swayam bhayam, that one, and also tasmat bharat sarvatma bhagwan ishvara hari kirti tavyascha smarchavyascha ichchata abhayam. So if you want abhay and come back to me, follow devotional service. Else, mrityum rachanti atat vidha. If person is not conversant with us, with this, mrityum rachanti, will attain death. Death means what?
Again, they go through the same cycle.
शुरू हो गया वापस. Translation, please repeat. My dear mother, those who are actually transcendentalists, certainly follow my instructions as I have given them to you. You may rest assured that if you traverse this path of self-realization perfectly, surely you shall be freed from fearful material contamination and shall ultimately reach me. He is repeatedly saying, you will be freed from fearful material contamination. That was our first question. Mother, persons who are not conversant with this method of devotional service certainly cannot get out of the cycle of birth and death. So अच्छे से उन्होंने conclude कर दिया. Now just let us say here, he just says Shraddhatsva Atena. About this, it was not very clearly mentioned. This is for devotional service in the shloka. So what is this? Let us go back to the first question which Devahuti had asked. And what was his first answer? Let us see this. What is this about? Etavan, this. What is this? So Devahuti Ruvacha Purusham Prakritir Brahman Na Vimunchati Karhichit Anyonya Apa Shayat Vacha Nityavada Anayo Prabhu. So she asked, Purusham Prakritir Brahman Na Vimunchati Karhichit. ये जो living entity और प्रकृति के साथ फंस गई है, ये कभी होंगे कि दूर नहीं? This was the first question. 3:27:17. ऐसा कभी होगा कि नहीं? Because eternally they are inseparable. And what was the answer first in that? This is, we are in 33:34. 3:27:21. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. This was his first answer. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Animittena nimittena Swadharmena malatmana Tivraya Mai Bhaktya Cha Shuta Sambhratya Chiram. Bhagavan said Animittena nimittena. Yeah, dialogue hai. Animit means, Nimitt means what? Karan. Animit, the one who does his work with the nimitt of animit. Meaning one whose desire is not to have the desire. One's desire is not to have material desire. if that person does his work like that and have tivra mai bhaktya, then one can be freed from the contamination. So this is what he is referring in the last shloka, that Shraddhatsvai etan, about this, it is this. So one has to do the animittena nimittena swadharmena malatmana. With pure heart one should do work for Krishna and tivramai bhaktya. Then there will be no reaction and one will be freed from the contamination of matter. Now, after this discussion, Kapil Bhagwan also leaves. Now somebody can say, ये क्या है भाई? First the husband left, and now son also has left. But Bhagavatam teaches us that women should be under protection of first father, then husband, then son. इधर तो कोई बचा ही नहीं. ये क्या against है क्या? Now let us see. Bhagavatam tells he took permission from her and left. ठीक है, फिर भी कोई बात नहीं. फिर क्या करेंगे? Bhagavatam tells then she practiced bhakti yoga. Bhagavatam tells that when Devahuti would enter the lovely garden to take her bath in the pond filled with lotus flowers, the Gandharvas would sing about Kardam Muni's glorious household life. Her great husband Kardam gave her protection at all the time. So he, while with this body he was not there, but he was there consciously. He was taking care of her. हम तो नहीं कर सकते ये, but he was doing. And Bhagavatam tells the house was having ivory seats, white milk foam bed sheets, walls made of jewels, gardens. And 3:33:28 tells us her body was being taken care of by the spiritual damsels created by her husband. तो if any husband is thinking छोड़ के चला जाएगा, बहुत हो गया, let me go, तो पहले तो ऐसा घर बना के दो, then consciously you should be there, and thirdly one should create spiritual damsels to take care of the wife. ये तीनों है तो जा सकता है, which is not possible. And she has no mental anxiety at that time. Her body did not become thin. See, Bhagavatam tells, if you see in office, if there is too much stress, either somebody will eat too much food or will not eat at all. But the result is one only. The body will become very thin. You see, those who are having too much anxiety, because वो चिता की तरह चिंता खाई जा रही है, so they will become thin. Her body did not become thin because she was in Vaikuntha. Kuntha thi nahi wa. She was, since she had, her body was being taken care of by spiritual damsels created by her husband Kardam, and since she had no mental anxiety at that time, her body did not become thin. She appeared just like a fire surrounded by smoke. And then, so this entire katha, who is telling whom? Round of applause for Mataji. Maitri Muni is telling to Vidura. Now he comes back. क्या मतलब मूवीज में फ्लैशबैक ये सब इधर से ही है, उधर का वो पता है, फिर इधर आ गए. He says एवं सा कपिलोक्तेन मार्गेण चिरतः परम आत्मनं ब्रह्म निर्वाणं भगवन्तं वापः. एवं सा, thus sa means Devahuti. Kapila uktena. What Kapil Dev had uktena, what he had instructed, she margena, she followed that marg. And achiritah, soon what she attained. Param atmanam brahma nirvanam bhagavantam avapaha. Certainly she achieved three things. Atmanam. What is Atmanam? Super soul. Second, Brahma Nirvanam. And Bhagavantam. So which are those three things? Round of applause. Yeah. So she achieved all the three just by pure devotional service. So it is not that one is following this, so only Bhagwan मिले तो बाकी तो छूट गया. बाकी तो पीछे पीछे भोगते हैं उसके. So what is that? वदन्ति तत् तत्त्वविदा तत्त्वं यत् ज्ञानम् अद्वयं ब्रह्मेति परमात्मेति भगवानिति शब्दते. So she achieved all these three. Then Kapil Bhagwan went to a place which is there also today called Ganga Sagar. And where the Gangaji gave him a space there, and that is the place which is called Ganga Sagar Tirth. Today also people go to Ganga Sagar Tirth. That is the place where Kapil Bhagwan went and he meditated on Krishna for the welfare of everybody. In Bihar, right? This, where is Bengal? Kolkata ke paas. This one, Ganga Sagar, where the Ganges meets the sea. That is the confluence, that is the place. And Maitri Muni said one more thing. His conclusion. See, Kapil Dev Bhagwan gave his conclusion that one should hear, repeat and fix, you will attain me. Devhuti gave her conclusion, you should hear, you should repeat and Matchitta, you will achieve Krishna. Now Maitri ji is telling to Vidura his conclusion. मतलब teachers कितने अच्छे थे. Same thing was repeated so many times till one properly understands. Please repeat. Ya idam yo abhidhatte Kapil Munir Matam Atma Yoga Bhagavati Kratadhiha Suparna Ketav Uplabhte Bhagavat Padarvindam. Maitri Muni's conclusion. Let's see this conclusion. How is it as compared to the first two conclusions? Yaha idam ashrunoti. One who ashrunoti. One who hears. Abhidatte. Same word. Abhidatte means one who repeats. He is telling one who hears, one who repeats. Kapil Munehi Matam instructions. Matam means instructions. One who hears and repeats Krishna's instructions. Atma Yoga Guhyam and meditates. Atma Yoga meditates on Krishna. तो तीन चीज आ गई जी. Hearing, Abhidatte and meditation. Bhagavati Kratadhiya. Where is his mind fixed? On Bhagavati, Supreme Lord, his mind is fixed. Suparna Ketu. Suparna means banner. Ketu means Garud. So, whose mind is fixed on Lord Vishnu, whose banner is Garudji, and he repeats his instructions and hears his instructions, then Uplabhate. Labhate means attain. Uplabhate, achieves. Bhagavat Padara Vindam. तो लोटस फीड के लिए तीन चीज क्या वापस आ गई. तीनों का कंक्लूजन सेम. नंबर 1 हियरिंग and fixing. Same thing as 215. So how many conclusions we have seen? 4 conclusions telling the same thing. Everywhere it will be the same conclusion, but at least we can see. Okay. Now, so Kapil Bhagwan repeated it 2 times. One to the mother and once she repeated. And now it is repeated by Maitri Muni. So, with this, we come to the conclusion of 3rd canto Srimad Bhagavatam ki. One more small point was there today. What is the time, Prabhuji? 9:55. अरे वाह, आज जम के कीर्तन करेंगे. So once what happened, Lord Ram, after the Rajyabhishek, he called. Everybody was sitting, Hanumanji was also sitting. So to one of the monkeys he had made Senapati, to another person he gave prime ministership, various positions he was giving. So he called Hanumanji. Hanumanji, see, I have given some position to everybody. I am giving Padvi to everybody. But I want you also to choose one Padvi. You should choose one position. Because at the end of it, you are my dearmost devotee. Everybody has got, you got nothing. So everybody is watching. Is Hanumanji going to fall for this? So Hanumanji said, of course. I definitely want a Padvi. So everybody is like, my God, what is he going to do? So he said, okay, you can take whatever you want. Free will to you. So Hanumanji got up and he walked towards the Singhasan of Lord Ram. So everybody is watching, क्या ये क्या सिंहासन के चक्कर में तो नहीं है कहीं यही बैठना चाहते हैं. And he went and sat at the lotus feet of Lord Ram. राम जी said, बाबा ये किधर आ गए तुम, मैं तुम्हें पदवी बोल रहा हूँ. बोला जी मेरी पद, we, this is my pad. Your lotus feet, pad means lotus feet. So my padvi is, my position is at your lotus feet. So you please give me this. And therefore Lord Ram was very, very happy. I was hearing and this one verse also came. Please repeat, it's very good. जिसे तुम सुख समझते हो, ये सुख नहीं, ये सुख की छाया है. समझ पड़ती नहीं, यह मेरे गिरधर की माया है. ग्रंथ श्रीमद् भागवतम की, शील प्रभुपाद की, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की. Any corrections, criticism, questions, most welcome.
So, Prabhu responded that this one about Vadapatra Shai, like that sloka also there, no? Padara Vindena, Karara Vindena, Padara Vindena, Padara Vindena, Viniveshna, Vadapatra Shai, Putesha.
Hari Bol Jai. Hari Hari Bol Jai Ho, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. Thank you so much for reminding. Sahi.
Prabhu, Hanumanji, there is one pastime which I
हाँ.
So, I mean, when you mentioned about this, there was very similar pastime. So, when he was distributing all the padvis, all the sevas,
हाँ.
he was done with everything.
Ah.
There was no seva left for Hanuman.
Ah.
He was the last to attempt. So, when Ram asked him, Lord Rama, what seva do you want now?
Ah.
There is nothing left for you. What can you do? So, devotees, they find opportunity everything to serve. I mean,
Ah.
that is the mode of this. So he said, when you yawn, I will just do this.
Ah.
So he got the permission to even enter bedroom of Lord Rama. When he used to yawn, he used to do this. So his mother Sita was very, what is this going on? So the moral is basically devotees, they somehow find something to serve Lord.
Hari Bol.
They do not need to have something.
Big paraphernalia.
They have something to serve Lord.
Ah.
They can do it even when they yawn, he can just.
Hari Hari Bol. So what happens next is that in the night, Hanumanji doesn't know when he is going to yawn.
Yeah, he started.
So he goes up and he starts doing Jai Siya Ram, Jai Siya Ram. Now he starts yawning. Now he cannot close his mouth because he is doing like this. If he stops this, then he can close his mouth. Then they call Vaidyaraj, and then entire seva comes. And actually he was kept in the last, as you mentioned. He was kept in the last deliberately to see. Let's see what he does, because he will have no devotional seva available to him. And when everybody called, they called, but he's not stopping. Then somebody said, "Arey, where is Hanumanji? Call him, Baba." Then he is like, and then when he came, they said, "Baba, please, अभी बंद करो, आपका ड्यूटी लग गया कल सुबह से, मंगला में आप ही रहना." Thank you, Prabhuji. Very nice pastime. Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. Yes, Mataji. She'll sing? Okay, come, please, come.